Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to lock cells in Google Sheets. So, let's dive right in. To begin, click and drag to choose the cells you want to lock. Right-click on the selected cells. Hover over View More Cell Actions at the bottom of the menu. Select Protect Range from the submenu. Click Add a sheet or range and choose the specific cells to lock if you haven't already selected them. Click this button to define who can edit the locked cells. Once you choose the permission, click the Done button. And that's it. Now the selected range of cells will be locked. To unlock cells, follow the same steps you used for locking them. Right-click the cell you want to unlock and navigate to View More Cell Actions, and then Protect Range. In the panel, look for the range you want to unlock. It will be listed under the sheet name or a custom description you added earlier. Once you've identified the correct range, click the Remove button next to it. This removes the lock from the selected cells, allowing them to be edited freely again. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.